Hi everyone, welcome to the demo of Delegator.ai, an autonomous, non-custodial portfolio automation agent powered by AI, MetaMask Smart Accounts, NVO, and Monad. In this video, I'll show you how Delegator.ai lets you automate your crypto strategies like rebalancing, buying the dip, or taking profits, all while keeping 100% control of your funds. Managing a crypto portfolio manually is stressful. You need to constantly track prices, rebalancing thresholds, and take profit levels. Missing one opportunity, like a 10% dip or a 20% rally, can make a big difference. Centralized bots exist, but they require you to deposit funds, which means you're trusting someone else with your money. That's risky. We need automation, but without losing control. That's where Delegator.ai comes in. It's an AI-powered portfolio automation system that lets you define strategies in plain English, converts them into on-chain executable logic, and executes them safely through MetaMask smart account delegations on the Monad testnet. The best part? You stay in full custody. The bot never touches your funds. Let's see how it works. I'll start by defining a strategy in natural language. For example, I'll type, rebalance my portfolio to 70% ETH and 30% USDC if the drift is more than 5%. Once I hit enter, the AI strategy builder, powered by OpenAI's LLM, converts that sentence into executable JSON logic. Here you can see the structure: trigger, condition, and action. The trigger listens for a price update, the condition checks the drift, and the action performs the rebalance. We also visualize this on our drag-and-drop canvas, so you can adjust or chain multiple automations visually, all without code. Now, when I enable automation, Delegator.ai creates a MetaMask smart account, which supports delegation through the new ERC 7710 standard. I can delegate permission to a specific bot, in this case, the rebalance executor. This bot is only allowed to execute the rebalance action. It cannot withdraw, transfer, or modify anything outside the strategy scope. Once approved, the delegation is saved on-chain and can be revoked anytime from MetaMask with a single click. This keeps your wallet safe while still enabling automation. Now the automation is live. The NVO hyperindex keeps watching my portfolio and real-time price data from PYTH network oracles. Let's simulate a market move. The ETH price drops by 6%. The system detects that the drift is greater than 5%, so the condition is met. NVO detects, bot worker triggered, delegation manager verifies, rebalance executor executes swap. The NVO indexer triggers our bot worker, which validates the delegation permissions. The rebalance executor smart contract executes the trade through our Uniswap helper on Monad testnet and rebalances the portfolio automatically. Here's the transaction hash. The portfolio is now back to 70% ETH and 30% USDC, all executed on-chain, non-custodially. Let's break down how everything connects under the hood. The front end, built-in Next.js, hosts the AI chat, the visual canvas, and the delegation setup wizard. The backend, built on Nest.js, handles API logic, the bot worker, and the NVO integration. Then we have our smart contracts on Monad, which include Delegation Manager for MetaMask delegation logic, Rebalance Executor for strategy execution, Strategy Registry for user automation storage, PYTH Oracle, and Uniswap Helper for real-time data and swaps. Together, they create a secure, autonomous ecosystem. Next, we're expanding Delegator.ai to support cross-chain automation across Monad and Base. We're also adding an AI learning loop, so strategies improve with historical data, and a DAO-curated marketplace where users can share or monetize strategies. Delegator.ai redefines DeFi automation, combining AI intelligence, delegated smart accounts, and on-chain execution into a seamless, trustless experience. Automate your portfolio with confidence, because in DeFi, control is everything.